What's up guys, I'm Kevin Kwan from Taste of Asian Food. Chinese cabbage soup is a warming, comforting, soothing soup perfect for weeknight regular. This humble soup has an incredible depth of flavor while cooking with any stock, as the cabbage acts like a sponge absorbing any flavor available. Today, I'll make some pork balls to flavor the soup, to make it a one-pot meal by itself. Perfect to serve with rice, noodles, or even bread. So, let's get into the details right now. Let's start by cutting the cabbage. Cut the cabbage lengthwise into 4 quarters. Chop off the part near to the stem, which is hard. Separate the leafy and the firm bulb by cutting it crosswise into 2. Cut the bulb into 1/2 inch length crosswise. As for the leafy part, you can halve the green leaf if they are too long. I also include some carrot slices for the sweetness and color. Now let's move on to prepare the ingredients for the meatballs. Minced garlic, minced ginger, thinly slice some scallion rings. Is used to garnish the soup when it's served. Also include some finely chopped water chestnuts. It adds some crunchiness and helps to soften the minced meat. You can use finely chopped onion to substitute the water chestnuts. Now I want to make some pork balls to flavor the cabbage soup and turn it into a one-pot meal. Then include the following items: salt, sugar, white pepper, Shaoxing wine, light soy sauce, chopped water chestnuts, minced garlic and ginger, some cornstarch to combine all the ingredients. Mix all the ingredients with a spoon. Then lift the meat paste and slam it against the bowl repeatedly. This step is a classic technique to make the meatballs more bouncy and the ingredients more cohesive, preventing them from disintegrating. Portion the meatballs to about 1 inch in diameter. Roll the meatballs in some cornstarch and set them aside. Let's pan fry the meatballs. You may wonder why I want to pan fry the meatballs instead of putting them directly into the soup. Pan fry the meatballs will bring out the flavor, at the same time prevent them from falling apart in the soup. Pan fry over low heat to ensure the inner part of the meatball is cooked when the surface turns golden. Bring the soup stock to a boil. Today I use a shortcut with the store-bought chicken broth. This stock is made with an equal portion of chicken stock and water, since the meatballs will flavor the soup. Add the white part of the Chinese cabbage and boil it for about 5 minutes until it starts to turn soft. After that, add the leafy part of the cabbage and the carrot pieces. Continue for another 3 minutes. Lastly, put the meatballs in the soup and simmer for 2 minutes. Part of the flavor of the meatballs will release into the soup. Do a taste test. The saltiness depends on whether the stock that you use is seasoned and the amount of salt released from the meatballs. Scoop the soup into a soup bowl. Sprinkle with some thinly sliced scallion ring and serve. That's how to make a simple Chinese cabbage soup with meatballs. I hope you enjoy watching this video, and if you like this recipe, please subscribe, tap the notification bell, and give me a thumbs up. There are many more Asian recipes on this channel, and I'll see you again soon. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.